Anything you can do, I can do better. Another one bites the dust. As you can see, being reported here from the Bitcoin magazine, just in 1.49 trillion. Invesco officially reactivates its Bitcoin ETF filing. It seems like what one monkey do, the next one does. This is getting crazy, family. Let me know inside the comments if you think Blackrock officially started the bull run. Did Blackrock back the Brinks truck in? Crypto is looking lit right now. We got another huge company filing for the Bitcoin ETF, and now we're starting to see the altcoin react. And we're going to be talking about what we need for the altcoin market to literally go parabolic, and why are we seeing this move. Did BlackRock officially flip the Bitcoin switch? Let me know inside the comments if the bull run has been activated. I want to know everybody's comments. Engage with the video, really helps the algorithm. And keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur killing the game. We back at it. All right, so let's talk about this, man. Altcoins going crazy. We're seeing a lot of utility tokens going crazy. We haven't seen the meme coins jump, but you already know they always the last one to jump. But right now, this is good, because if you've been following me on Twitter, you've seen that I've been DCAing into my bag slowly but surely. I allowed it a couple of days to invest into my super degen plays. I've been talking about plays on my Patreon, and most of them are starting to do well, family. So if you want to know what I'm buying and selling as far as micro caps, super degens, and those small caps with utility, join the Patreon. All right, so let's talk about what's actually happening, because we're seeing so many these huge companies, I'm talking about giants in the game, looking to activate a Bitcoin spot ETF. We're talking about trillions of dollars, family. All the big dogs want Bitcoin, and some would say all the big dogs want your Bitcoin. Now, I've been seeing conflicting reports, because we got 50% of the people that's like, man, this is bullish, this is trillions of dollars overnight, this is potentially mass adoption. Then you got the people like, oh, they're trying to control crypto. I'm not on either side. There's an argument for both sides, family, but do not let your ego keep you from missing the initial pump. This is the initiation. All right, hey, I'm an opportunist. This is the initiation right here. But let me know if you've been DCAing consistently over time. But it's good to see. I mean, look at this, man. BlackRock, Vanguard, Fidelity, UBS, Morgan Stanley, JP, Credit Agricole Alliance, Goldman Sachs Capital Group, Pimco, okay, BNY Mellon, all looking to grab as much Bitcoin as possible. And what do we know about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is very, very limited. Okay, the supply is running out, and it's running out fast, family. So yeah, that's why they say they don't just want to buy Bitcoin, they want your Bitcoin. So for the people that was getting out of crypto at this time, selling crypto at this time, I don't think this was actually the best time. Not financial advice. This seemed like a floor signal, because now we're starting to see, after the attacks from the SEC, the cryptocurrency market bounce back. It's like all of these institutions that are regulated and compliant, they wanted to get in the game, and they used the SEC as kind of like a tool to attack these crypto exchanges, bring down the price, and now everybody wants to buy up crypto. After I thought it was a scam, but everybody want to buy it up. All right, so let's talk about what's actually going on. We got the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock's the world's largest asset manager, plans to introduce the first Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF in the United States. This move is significant as it comes amidst previous denials by the SEC for similar attempts. BlackRock's influence and connections could provide an advantage in obtaining approval fund. We also have the EDX markets. This is the slept on, right? You following Twitter, I had everybody rolling about this. So a new exchange has spawned and minted on thin air. Ironically, after the SEC was going after exchanges, now the states dropped their own exchange. Isn't it kind of crazy, right? The timing of it, I don't know. Backed by Citadel, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab, the EDX markets is the new custodial crypto exchange that has begun operations. Unlike traditional exchanges, it doesn't handle clients' digital assets directly, but operates as a marketplace for transactions. Despite regulatory pressure, there seems to be enough investor interest in this exchange, indicating a potential return of interest in cryptocurrency. So this is the begin. This is what everybody's been waiting for, fam. This is the beginning. And then, of course, Bitcoin stocks. Investors seeking exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning it can consider options like BITO Bitcoin Strategy ETF by ProShares, which uses Bitcoin futures for exposure. Another alternative is investing in MicroStrategy. We've been seeing MicroStrategy pumping, an enterprise software company whose CEO, Michael Saylor himself, purchased a significant amount of Bitcoin. These avenues offer indirect exposure to the Bitcoin price. So this is what's been going on. Not only that, family, but we got even more bullish news. I just showed y'all in the beginning of the video. Invesco wants to get their little piece of the pie of Bitcoin. Deutsche Bank is looking to get into the cryptocurrency space as well. And how is this all bullish for crypto and eventually altcoins? Well, first and foremost, family, institutional validation. Deutsche Bank's douche. Hopefully, I'm not butchering the words. Y'all know how y'all is about my public school and wordings. Deutsche Bank's involvement in regulatory compliance signal growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies in the traditional finance industry, making them more attractive to institutional investors. Regulatory clarity. Seeking regulatory permissions demonstrates a commitment to operating within a regulated framework, providing security and fostering trust among investors. But 3, mainstream investment vehicles. This is the big one. This is what's happening right before our eyes. BlackRock's proposed Bitcoin ETF offers a regulated investment product that could bring more significant capital into the crypto market, making it more accessible to a traditional investor. So now you're starting to see a lot of people that's been making these profits with the stock market, because the stock market is ripping. Where do you think they're gonna put their profits at? They're not putting it in banks somewhere. They're putting it into Bitcoin. You know, don't let nobody fool you and think like, oh, they Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin utility is store value. Okay, it's a savings account on steroids. Okay, they're putting their profits in Bitcoin. They'll use that to 2x, 5x, whatever. And then guess what? A lot of that liquidity is going to roll into top-notch altcoins, then trickle down to meme coins, small caps, and of course micro caps with utility. Of course, a lot of that will be speculation, but I expect an insane bull run. But again, we gotta be a little bit, grounded here, because this could just be a fake out. We're not near the halving cycle. I would think that we should trade sideways going into the halving cycle, but I don't know. This news is bullish, and it might just speed up the process. Everybody's attention span is totally different now, and in 2023, and we're also getting some bullish signals here for the Bitcoin chart. Now, we're not yet out the woods yet as far as the Gaussian channel. We would have to cross 29,000 to break the Gaussian channel to the green light, baby. That's what we need. That's going to signal the bullish. This is the weekly. As you can see, the stock RSI did fully reset, and now looks like it wants to cross over this orange line and turn up as far as the momentum. So, man, will Bitcoin finally break the Gaussian channel to the green, family, and signal the begin of the bull run? I need to know everybody's opinions in the comments. Also, we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance literally soar. Look at this. As long as we hang up out here, Bitcoin is going to go crazy. It's going to, get his gains. Soon as the dominance comes down, family, this is the most important part of the video if you're interested into altcoins, meme coins, and stuff like that, because I know a lot of people on my channel are. Soon as this trends down, that liquidity is going into altcoins, and altcoins will send. You can already start to see it happening. Everything is turning green. Line your chips up. Let me know if you're lining your chips up. Let me know if you think that this is a fake out. Is this the beginning of the bull run? It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.